Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect your Porkbun domain to Framer. Let's get started. First, go to framer.com and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on the website you want to work on. In this new page containing your website, click on the settings icon at the top right of your screen. Then in the settings, click on Domains from the left panel and scroll down to the Custom Domain section where you will click on the Connect a Domain You Own option. Next, go to porkbun.com and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on your account profile from the top right corner to open this drop-down menu. And in here, click on Domain Management. In this new page, copy your domain name that you want to connect, then go back to Framer. In this field, type in www. Then paste your copied domain name, and click on the check icon at the far right of this field. After that, Framer will provide you with DNS configurations that you will be using. As you can see, we have one CNAME record and two A records. Start by copying the provided CNAME record value, then go to Porkbun. Click on the DNS option under your domain name, and this pop-up will appear. In the type field, put in CNAME. For the host field, put in www, and paste your copied configuration in the answer field, then click on Add at the very bottom of this pop-up. Now you just have to repeat this with the other A records. Next, go back to Framer again and copy the first provided A record value. Then in the pop-up in Porkbun, put in A in the type field, then put in at for the host field, and paste your copied configuration in the answer field. Then click on Add again. Next, you just have to do the same thing for the second A record. After that, refresh your page in Framer to see if the changes are done. And that is how you can connect your Porkbun domain to Framer. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.